we have here our second box of 2015 Bowman, and as you can see, this time I got the bright idea of turning the camera the other way around, so the lighting is much better. This is our second box out of the case of 2015 Bowman Jumbo. When 2015 Bowman came out, these two guys were considered the two of the top dogs. How times have changed. We have Rusney Castillo and Carlos Rodon. Yeah. But hey, Top doesn't claim to be prognosticators. I was about to say procrastinators, but that's a different story. But they're not prognosticators, so let's see if there's anything good in here. There's a Devers base. A Bowman Scout of Austin Hedges, and our first auto is Eric Haas. I see we're picked up right where we left off in the terms of luck. You'd think things would start to get a little better. That's like what, a $2 autograph if you're lucky. Okay, well, we have a mini of Alex Reyes. I guess that's worth something. And a Marquise Grissom flashback refractor. Forgive me if I don't get the card exactly in the camera window. I can't exactly see what I'm doing when I'm directly behind it. Is this a silver parallel? Yeah, it is. Jose Valdez again. You might remember him from box 1. We have a Bowman silver paper, number 499. Bowman Scout, Derek Hill. I don't know why they mix. They put a bunch of paper, then they put chrome, then they put the case hits, and then they put more chrome amidst the paper. I don't understand why they just don't put all the chrome in the pack together. They do with other products, but for some reason they didn't do it here. Mini of Dario Alvarez, and here we have a a Bowman Scout die cut of good old Rusney Castillo, who at the time was number 45 on the top 100. And hey, it's numbered to 99. Well, that has got to be a windfall for someone. Just not me. Bowman Silver Ice of Jacob deGrom. And a mini of Aaron Sanchez. see something purple coming up. Which if this was a past year I'd be happy about because it would probably be numbered to 10. But now these are numbered to 250. And we have a Bowman purple paper of Michael Pineda, numbered to 250. And a Bowman Scout of Kyle Freeland. And in here we have a mini of Courtney Hawkins. I'd like to find the customers that think these mini cards are or were a good idea and kick them in the nuts. They're hard to store because they don't have it's not exactly common to find sleeves and top loaders to fit them. But as bad as those are, the oversized cards are even worse. But that's just my opinion. Here we have a Max Pentecost. And our second auto, which would have been a great auto if this was 2 years ago, of Carlos Rodon. Times have changed. Still, that's a halfway presentable auto. I can't complain too much about that. Well, actually I could, but it wouldn't do any good. Now we have our final row of packs here. Pack number 9, if you're counting. We have a Bowman Silver of Anthony Rendon. And a Bowman Scout of, yes, Mr. Castillo again. Wish we could wind the clock back and bust this stuff 2 years ago, and then this would be a halfway decent box. But we're in 2017, where the top auto in the product is Rafael Devers. And back in 2015, I believe his Chrome Autos was selling in around the $20, $30 range, if I'm not mistaken. And I bought quite a bit of them because I knew that I saw something special in him. And we have 2 minis in this pack. We have a Kyle Freeland and a purple mini of Justin Williams. And that is numbered to 250. And a refractor of Seth Strike. I guess that's probably pronounced as Strafe? Struth! Number to 499. That was a Monty Python joke, in case you didn't catch it. So I believe this pack, if I'm not mistaken, will have our third auto. And our third auto is some guy who just happened to have been traded to Tampa Bay, Jose De Leon. Now, once again, this would have been a great card back then, but unfortunately, since being traded to the Rays, he has had significant problems with his health. Number to 499. I still have high hopes for him, though. That's a refractor. Looks very nicely Oh, I'm sorry, I take that back. I thought it was nicely centered, but it's looks like it's a little off-center bottom of the top. Well, we'll see. And our last pack. So, needless to say, this was a better box than box 1, but if I were to get my hopes up and think that box 3 would be even better than box 2, then I would be setting myself up for failure. So I'm not going to say that, even though I did just say that. So strike it from the record, please. And we have a Silver Ice of Albert Almora. I'm not sure who thinks these ice cards are a good idea. And a mini of Jose Rondon. So let's recap this. Real quick. Okay. Purple mini of Justin Williams, minis of Jose Rondon, Kyle Freeland, Courtney Hawkins, Dariel Alvarez, Aaron Sanchez, and Alex Reyes. Bowman Scout, die cut of Resny Castillo, and a regular Resny Castillo, because one wasn't enough. Max Pentecost, Kyle Freeland, Derek Hill, Austin Hedges. Bowman Silver Paper, Anthony Rendon, and Jose Valdez. Silver Ice, Albert Almora, and Jacob deGrom. Bowman Purple Paper, Michael Pineda. Flashback Refractor, Marquise Grissom. Prospect Refractors, Seth Strike. Autos, Jose De Leon Refractor. Carlos Rodon base, and Eric Haas base. So that concludes box number 2, and I'll see you back for number 3.